if I run a very good PMax and I have YouTube remarketing, should I also do DSA for remarketing, or since everything is good, I don't need to add new things?
No, a DSA remarketing alongside of PMax, if it's already up and running well, I wouldn't add it to it. I would add it in the beginning so that your search channel inside of Performance Max gains new signals of the users that are using that channel to find you. So that's why I said it's a good starting point. When you're launching PMax for the first time in a brand new account, you're using DSA to say, hey, I'm forcing some spend on the search channel. These are the search terms that are coming in that are working. Performance Max is going to say, sweet, I need those too. And then you might even increase or decrease, just depending upon whether the CPA and your bidding strategy, et cetera, are lining up to. If you're already going to go PMax performance, go into your insights tab, look at the last month, and then look at your search categories. If your search categories are getting a good amount of volume, which means the search categories equate to X amount of my total campaigns conversions. Like you see, hey, this one keyword had 10 sales and my campaign had 12 sales total. All right, 10 of the 12 are coming from DSA. But if you look at your DSA campaign inside of Performance Max, which is the search categories, and it looks bad and looks irrelevant and it doesn't look very good, check your site to make sure that Google is crawling your site and understanding what you're running, because otherwise another DSA campaign is not going to help. But if you don't see a lot of high volume in that area, if you see only like 1/10 of your sales coming from DSA, where the DSA looks quality and you have good conversion rates, then launch a DSA campaign to help support that.